everybody, so for now is we're going to the city. So I have sandals that I use for walking, and this one we're gonna use for downhill driving. And then after this one, oh my god, the series. After this one is we have to pizza. We have to do the barefoot driving. So okay everyone, we're going to drive to San Carlos City. So foot brake, drive, blinker left, and down. So always watch the road before you go on driving. I have to stop a while because my case is making noise. So we have to stop here in the corner. Here. So neutral, I use neutral and brake up. Then this one. This one is really making noise, so I think it's good to just remove this one.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.